So I think all of you are ready. Can we start off directly? We'll continue from Jammu Kashmir. So I'm drawing the lines. That's one line. This line is for Leh and Srinagar. This is the Jaipur and the Lucknow line. This is the Allahabad, passes tangentially to Meghalaya Plateau. This cuts through Bhopal and Gandhinagar from the Gulf of Kutch and Tripura. We had the Kochi line also from the tip of Kochi and Pathankot, this line. And you can also draw the two lines from Nepal, the two lines from Nepal. This is one line and another line passing through Krishna Delta. Okay, the two lines. Maybe this I can rectify a bit. Yes, that's the other line. So these are the lines you know now. So what I have done is I have taken care of the entries of Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. So we are doing Punjab first. So I'm starting with Punjab. And while doing Punjab, I'll tell you a bit of Himachal Pradesh again. So the first entry for Punjab, see if you can see this point here. This is like a curve here, right at the tip of this curve. Okay, so this is more or less this point here. This is Amritsar. So this point here, this is like a curve mentioned here. The tip of this curve, this point is Amritsar. So let's mark this as 1, Amritsar. So point number 1 is Amritsar. And Amritsar, you also can approximate as a Harike barrage. Amritsar is also Wagah Border. A Wagah Border or even Attari village, Attari, Attari village. Okay, so Amritsar is Harike barrage. Harike barrage is where the water of Satluj and Bias get diverted into Indira Gandhi Canal. Because Indira Gandhi Canal takes off from approximately somewhere here. It goes along the borders of Rajasthan right up to Jaisalmer like this. So the water is taken from Amritsar region. There is a barrage there. The barrage is called as the Harike barrage. Harike barrage also takes water from Bias. There is a Bias-Satluj link canal. And Harike barrage is the place where the water gets diverted. And the Harike barrage also is a bird sanctuary. It's a wetland, Harike barrage and wetland. And do you know where the Katarpur Corridor starts? There is a famous Gurdwara there, Dera Baba Nanak. Yes, Nanak Sahib. So if I exaggerate, this Baba Nanak, Dera Nanak Sahib, this is just top of Amritsar. So if you have Amritsar, just above that, say somewhere here. So deliberately I am showing that as exaggerated somewhere here. Dera Baba, Amritsar, and just across the border, somewhere here, we have the terminus, Katarpur. Okay, so you could also mark this in your map, Amritsar, and just north of Amritsar along the borders, and that is where we have river Ravi also crossing, and this road crosses the river Ravi, and it ultimately goes and joins Katarpur. So number 2 is the Dera Baba Nanak or Dera Baba Sahib Gurdwara, and this is one of the terminus of the Katarpur Corridor. So 1 and 2. Okay, so I hope you have got what is 2. This is 2, this one here. This is 1 Amritsar and this is 2. Let's move on now. Now, just where this bend ends, this E bend you have, just where this E bend ends here, somewhere here. So this is somewhere below here. This is Ferozpur. So somewhere here, this is Ferozpur. And this you can write as 3. And Ferozpur is more important as the birthplace of Shahid Bhagat Singh. And Ferozpur is also same as Hussaini Wala border. You have to join this line. This is joining Point Calimere. Somewhere here is Point Calimere here. And somewhere here, this is Pathankot. Pathankot here and Point Calimere here. So join this line. Now come back here. From Amritsar, if you move eastwards on this Point Calimere Pathankot line here, move east of Amritsar on this line here. This is Jalandhar or Kapurthala. So number 4, you can mark both as same place. So first we did, this is Ferozpur. Ferozpur is Hussaini Wagah Border. And then I go back to Amritsar. From Amritsar, move eastwards. On the Pathankot, this is the Pathankot Calimere line. On this here, this is Ludhiana or it is Kapurthala. Now, Ludhiana, Kapurthala is an industrial region. Ludhiana, Kapurthala, number 4, Jalandhar and Kapurthala. This is an industrial region. Kapurthala has coach factory, integrated coach factory, and Jalandhar is more important for sports goods. Now, this is the coach factory making railway coaches. Next is from Ferozpur. If you move eastwards, again on the Point Calimere Pathankot line, this is Ludhiana. Number 5 is Ludhiana. Ludhiana is also industrial region. Mostly it is cotton textile. So one is Amritsar. Look at the screen, please. This is Amritsar, one Amritsar. Then above this here, Wagah Dera Nanak Sahib, the terminus of the Katarpur Corridor. Just where the bend ends, this is Ferozpur. From Ferozpur, if you move eastwards, on the Calimere Pathankot line, this is Ludhiana, this is Jalandhar, this is Kapurthala. Jalandhar-Kapurthala is industrial region and Ludhiana is also industrial region. Next. Now, if you look at this Ferozpur bend, come toward the next bend. This is the next bend here. This is Ferozpur. Next bend, somewhere here. This is Sri Ganganagar. So if you number this as 6, so Ferozpur, the second bend here, just below that, this is Ganganagar, 6. So number 6, Sri Ganganagar. This is an agricultural region. And this actually is part of Rajasthan. This is a district in northern Rajasthan, the Ganganagar district. This is also Malwa Plains. This is agricultural region. Agricultural region, this is 6. Now, if you remember, this place here, this is Pathankot. Remember, this is Pathankot here, and Pathankot and the Delhi line. This midpoint here, anybody remembers what place is this one here? Dharamshala, absolutely, yes. Now, if you move down from Dharamshala and go east of Ludhiana, this place here, this is Roopnagar, and somewhere here, you can mark Nangal. Okay, so Roopnagar is east of Ludhiana, and if you are marking slightly northeastwards, say somewhere here, more or less, this is Nangal, northeastwards. So this is 7 and this is 8. So this is Ferozpur, this is Ludhiana. From Ludhiana, move eastwards below Dharamshala. Okay, this is Roopnagar. Roopnagar is in Punjab. From Roopnagar, if you move northeastwards here, and if you remember, this was more or less Shimla. This 8 is Nangal. So number 7 is Roopnagar and 8 is Nangal. Nangal is where you have the Bhakra Dam. Roopnagar, Nangal, this entire area, more or less is this Bhakra Dam project. It's a pretty big project over a large area with a very large lake. Okay, and Nangal also becomes an industrial region along with Bilaspur of Himachal Pradesh. So if you remember, from this corner, you move westwards. This is Shimla. This is Nangal. From Shimla, a bit here somewhere, this is Bilaspur. So you can put Bilaspur somewhere here more or less. So if you look at this kind of becomes an industrial corridor, Nangal, and this is Bilaspur. From this corner, this is Shimla, this is Roopnagar, Ludhiana. Ludhiana, east of this is Roopnagar. From Roopnagar, this is Nangal, and from here, this is Bilaspur. Yes, Bilaspur Mandi is very nearby. You actually can mark this area as Bilaspur and Mandi. Number 8 is here, number 8. And this point, Bilaspur and Mandi, you can mark together. So this is 9. You can mark Bilaspur, you can mark Mandi together. This is an industrial region. Bilaspur Mandi also has the lake of Bhakra Nangal. It's called as Gobind Sagar. Mandi Bilaspur is an industrial corridor. Okay, lot of cement plants are here. Next is, this is Ganganagar. Move east of Ganganagar, below Amritsar, somewhere here. Bilaspur is Himachal Pradesh, yes. East of Ganganagar, below Amritsar, this place here. This is Bhatinda. And if you move further eastwards and below Roopnagar, this is Patiala. So this point here, move east of Ganganagar, this is Bhatinda. So I can name this as 10. Move further eastwards, east of Bhatinda, below Roopnagar. This is Patiala. And just in case you want to have a cross check about this line, if you extend this line almost passes through this Nepal corner. So east of Ganganagar, south of Amritsar, then east of Bhatinda, south of Roopnagar. Bhatinda is refineries and Patiala has been a historical center. Okay, so 11. So number 10, Bhatinda. Bhatinda is also Malwa Plains. Bhatinda is refineries. 11 is Patiala. Patiala is also Malwa Plains, and Patiala is the political center in many ways. Patiala has been the historical or the cultural center in many ways. And ये पूरा region, okay, Patiala, Bhatinda, Ganganagar, ये Malwa Plains हैं. What plains are Roopnagar, Nangal region? Roopnagar, Nangal regions is Doaba, D-O-A-B-A, Doaba Plains. And what region is Amritsar region? Amritsar is Manjha regions. So southern plains, this is Malwa. This area is Doaba, including Ludhiana. Roopnagar is Doaba. And Amritsar is Manjha Plains. So that take care of Punjab.